Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron. We've got a couple decent auctions coming up in November I want to share with you. I'll have the links down below in the description. And for December and January, if I do an auction video, it's probably going to be combined because right now I only see a couple unless a few more pop. And I'll do a little bit more research and I'll get that out to you after Thanksgiving. So on the 18th in Hillsboro, North Carolina, there's an online auction. It's Leland Little Auctions. It's a company. Not a whole heck of a lot of stuff, but some really nice cars. So there's a link down below. Check that out. Also on the 18th in Dallas, Texas, they have a live and online auction. It's over 100 cars. There's a really good range of vehicles. I mean, everything from OBS Chevys and Fords, a few newer cars, all the way down to cars from the early teens. So check that out. Some really nice stuff. Not really too many projects, but some really nice finished cars. Also on the 18th, McCormick 73rd live auction. Over 500 cars. Now they're advertising these cars are going to go anywhere from $200,000 to $200,000. So I'm probably going to watch that one and see what happens. It's in Palm Springs, Florida. It's I think they also have online bidding. You'll have to click the link and check it out. I'm really not sure on that, but I think they also have online bidding. So I don't think you have to go to Palm Springs, Florida to bid. The 17th through the 19th, you have the Markham Fall auction in Moline, Illinois. Now this auction, it's not a antique car auction or classic car auction. It's more vintage trucks, vintage tractors, a little bit of like road art and memorabilia type stuff. And like I said, that's in Moline, Illinois, and it's the 17th through the 19th. So it's a several day auction, so they got a lot of stuff. On the 16th in Westerfield, Ohio, there's an estate auction, and it has some really nice pre-war cars. If I'm not mistaken, one or two projects and a decent amount of parts for those cars. So you might want to check that out. Now I'm going to pronounce this wrong, so be prepared. Also on the 16th in Shinnston, West Virginia, there's an auction. Once again, if I'm not mistaken, it's an estate auction. Someone had a car collection, they passed away or retiring, whatever, and there's a really nice selection of cars. I mean, not a huge selection, but there's some really nice finished vehicles, you know. And then there's also one in Plymouth, Michigan. Kind of same deal. Not a whole heck of a lot of stuff, but some really nice finished cars. And if I'm not mistaken, the one in Plymouth, Michigan, I think it has parts and memorabilia too, but don't hold me to that. And quite honestly, that's pretty much it for the November auctions. The colder it gets, the less everything kind of goes on, including in here. I've got like 3 layers on right now, and today it's warm. We went from 80 degrees down to snow the next morning. So there was no fall. We just jumped right into winter. So hopefully it'll warm back up and I get some more stuff done out here. But we got a couple videos coming out, so watch out for those. And I'll do my best to do these monthly auction videos. And we appreciate you. Please like, please subscribe, and leave a comment. If you know of an auction that I missed or one that I need to check out, please leave a comment below or get my bio and email me direct. Whatever, I'd be happy to put on the list for the following month, whatever it is. So we appreciate you guys. We'll see you soon.